Is inflation hurting our senior citizens? Absolutely. Right now, seniors are definitely under attack from rising costs all over, whether it's from the cost of goods that they're buying due to inflation, or rising homeowners insurance fees, or rising property taxes. In these past couple of years, we've seen even more seniors come under attack because they're living on a fixed budget, on fixed income, Social Security, and pension. And many of them right now are having a difficulty finding a way to make means or ends meet. A lot of them are turning to their kids to be able to try to, help them and support them in these times. Many of them are frustrated and they don't know what solutions are out there. That's why I want to talk about a reverse mortgage. I've never always been a fan of a reverse mortgage, but that's because I had very little knowledge of what the product really is. And the more that I've done them over the 20-year time that I've been a loan originator, I could tell you this much. The more I do them, the more I understand that they're such a powerful tool for seniors, and it's so underutilized. There's so many opportunities that reverse mortgages pose for our senior citizens. If you're 62 years and older, you should really have a conversation with a lender or a bank to find out what you need to do to qualify for a reverse mortgage and if it makes sense for you. And this is why. There's so many different needs. But if you think right now about what I just talked about the increase of cost due to inflation and rising cost just in general for so many other things, you understand why you need money. Now, there's a huge misconception that people think that when I do a reverse mortgage, I don't own my home. I basically sign it over to the bank and that's it. And I'm just living out my days in it. That's absolutely false. You do not change the ownership. You do not sign over a deed. You don't do any of that. You are the owner of that home. And the beauty of it is that you could take out a line of credit. You could take out a lump sum amount of money. You could even have it where you can get monthly checks that come to you as a fixed payment or fixed income. So if you needed an extra $2,000 a month, an extra $1,000 a month, an extra $100,000, an extra $200,000, and by the way, this is all tax-free. So it doesn't affect you when you do a reverse mortgage and you still own the property. But what it does is it helps our seniors in these times not carry that burden just on their shoulders. You don't have to just now reach out to your kids to support you. And you don't have to worry that your kids are going to lose the home that you want to leave for them or their inheritance. So for you right now, think of your home as your own real bank that you can utilize and capitalize on. So you don't have to worry about these fixed income, living on a fixed income while your expenses are increasing. Let's have that conversation about a reverse mortgage and how it can really help to transform your life right now.